Tooty Tucan's bright morning. In the heart of a misty rainforest, Tooty the toucan woke with a cheerful toot-toot, echoing through the trees. She stretched her rainbow beak, as bright as sunshine, and flapped her wings in a happy dance. Her friend, Lola the frog, popped up on a leaf and invited her to breakfast. Tooty swooped through the morning mist and whispered, "Let's pick juicy berries together." With a gentle crunch, she popped a berry into her beak, then shared a few with Lola, who hopped with delight. Filled with giggles and friendship, Tooty chirped, "Every day is brighter with friends." And with that, they set off on a new day's adventure side by side, beak to bubble.